Nacio from Malaysia. I'm from University of Malaysia of Computer Science and Engineering, Cyberjaya. So this is the first time I visit Pakistan, especially it's very invited by Dr. Aegis to come to Talent Institute.
माशिद टीवी की वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी हर आने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रह सकें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, माशिद टीवी में खुशामदीद कहते हैं। आज हमारे पास जो मलेशिया से दोस्त आए हुए हैं लिंकन यूनिवर्सिटी हायर से, तो उनसे हम पूछते हैं कि पाकिस्तान के लोग, पाकिस्तानी फूड, पाकिस्तानी कल्चर, सकाफत कैसी उनको लगी, और जो दूसरे लोग जो पाकिस्तान में आना चाहते हैं उनके लिए एक गुड मैसेज डिलीवर कैसे करेंगे। हाउ आर यू मैडम?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू सो मच।
Define Pakistani people, foods, culture.
The food is very nice. The first time I'm trying the food in Pearl Continental Hotel, and I was like, wow, the food is so nice. Even though yesterday I traveled here very late, and I'm a bit hungry because since yesterday I didn't eat anything. But even they do the what they call it hummus. Oh, it's so nice. Pakistan food is nice.
Pakistani people?
Like you.
Yes,
very
nice.
Friendly.
Yes.
Okay, I feels like I know, even though now I feel like I know you that long, and then very respect, very friendly, and very social. I feels I'm not scared. When they told me, Lina, you come to Pakistan, I said yes. Why? No, don't go Pakistan. I said why? The people. I said no. I see everyone is nice here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice
You're
to meet you.
welcome.
Pakistan Zindabad.